Hey there, this is Sugarcoder. This is a video on how to make Rilakkuma steamed rice cake. So for mixture A, in a mixing bowl, I added warm water, active yeast, and rice flour, and mixed everything well together. Then I covered the bowl with plastic wrap and set it aside for 1 hour undisturbed. Half an hour before the 1 hour ended for mixture A, I prepped for mixture B. In a small pot over low heat, I added coconut milk and granulated sugar and cooked it until the sugar completely melted. I let the mixture cool completely before adding it into mixture A. Next, I covered the bowl again with plastic wrap, and this time I let it sit for 2 hours undisturbed. After 2 hours, you should see that the mixture poofed up, which is totally fine. Then I poured the mixture into Rilakkuma molds and filled it 3/4 of the way. I left a little bit of room just in case it needed it. Then I steamed the Rilakkuma rice cakes for about 45 to 50 minutes. I was surprised that it actually turned out okay. It tasted sweet and tangy at the same time. So have you tried steamed rice cake before? Let me know in the comments what you think about it. The recipe is on my website sugarcoder.com as well as in the video description. Thank you for watching and have a sweet day.